little off-roading.
We're not looking at this.
Behind the scenes.
We're going to go in. You go in on the train.
See some haunted trail stuff too, which is cool. And again, they use that area for storage over the winter. But this is going to be the Maverick launch tunnel. And let me change the settings. So this is the exit of it, I believe. And we're walking towards the front of it. This is cool.
You stop here.
No, you're coming from that way.
Pardon?
You're coming from that way.
Is that over there?
You're coming from that way.
Yeah, you come out this way.
Look at that, it's just cool.
I'm trying to figure out when.
That's awesome. It's totally different in the dark. I'll tell you that. I think we're missing something off the swings. Like, say, the swings.
Well, duh.
Just saying. Cool, they got a lot of the emergency trucks out here. So you could check them out. Look in them, stuff like that. This is by the first aid, which is right there. There's a sensory room that we could go in if we wanted to, but we want to go into the sign shop instead because that sounds a lot funner than first aid. Chris has got some technical difficulties going on with an earring.
Yes, I'm sorry.
But yeah, it's so quiet. It feels so naked, for lack of better words.
It does.
It's just, I mean, I'm enjoying myself.
Me too. You know, it's really pretty to see it all. I do want a Coke.
I would love a Coke. Can you arrange that?
Lunchtime. But it's really cool to see all like everything shut down and just in its glory.
I just wish we had like 5 times as much time as we had to actually like slow down and look at everything really, really well.
Well,
But
I mean,
we'll have to come back and do that.
they make you coming back.
Yeah. So this is where we're going. Planning, design shop, animation workshop, words, signs, things I can't pronounce. Too cold to speak.
You may or may not let you record it.
Yeah, I don't know if we can record back here. This is like super backstage. So we'll see.
You can definitely record the outside here.
But of course you got Steel Vengeance in the background.
It's beautiful.
Awesome ride.
You know what I know?
Oh, there's some whole weekend stuff.
Oh yeah. Halloween weekend stuff staged out here. All kind of fun stuff. Frontier Festival signs. Makes sense because it's a sign shop. Yeah, awesome looking. Okay, let's go inside, see if we can record or not.
Chariots, and there are also a lot of horses out here from the Midway Carousel up front. You might have seen that closed in right now.
Yeah.
Yes, so we had some gear work to do up top. We're building a whole new deck. The band organ is being restored. No more recorded music.
Oh wow.
New recorded music? No more recorded. No more recorded. Restored.
So these are from the carousel.
Oh, yeah.
Up front.
So that'll run like a. Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be nice. Okay, we have a horse overload here. All the carousel horses, which is cool. I also like this. It's a great pumpkin fest. I know. But Blue Streak signs, old Gemini signs,
Amazing.
Frontier Festival sign. Like, this is cool. Like, I love this building. So we're just gonna walk around and check stuff out. Letters, signs. Concept art. Like, this is cool. More concept art. What was this? Oh, I could spend hours in here. A model for Snake River Falls. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm going too fast. I gotta go back catch my group. Tombstones. Just so many models and things, and ooh, I like the section coming up. Foreshadowing. Layouts and models. But this section, this is awesome. It's where they put all the Halloween stuff. What? Well, you know, it happens. It happens.
I had problems yesterday.
That's cool. Who's our big stone friend? I remember our stone friend in the Peanuts. Ooh, sorry. In his way. In his way. This little work area. Some of the dinosaur stuff from Dinosaur Live. Like so this little robot guy here is actually in pieces. They're painting him as we speak. I don't remember where he goes, or if he's
Where does he go?
or if he's an old thing, or they're bringing him back, or if it's a new thing. But yeah, there he is. Now these are Bonesville guys, right? Yeah, I think that's what this is. They're all from Bonesville. You fit right in. Can't have a sign shop without a rack of random signs used throughout the park.
This ride will not open today. Boo!
Boo!
I don't like that one.
Cedar Point Brew and Barbecue. That used to be an old thing they had here. Corkscrew signs. Great Pumpkin Fest.
I like the Snake River Falls.
What are they doing in here? Oh, they're refurbishing skeletons in here. Oh, that's cool how they do that. It kind of shows you the steps. They take it apart, and they repaint it, then they like stain it and make it look old. That's cool.
That is really cool.
I'm enjoying this. This is awesome.
It's a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here are some Magnum cars that are being repaired. Probably repainted, maybe touched up. Definitely getting fixed. Spots that probably broke. That's cool. Like, I'd love to be able to like work here.
I know.
Like, how do you get a job here? This would be awesome.
This is like some of your like dream job kind of thing.
Yeah,
isn't it?
that'd be awesome. So underneath the Sky Ride, they're having a new custard creamery. I think it used to be mac and cheese type things, but this is going to be the sign for it. So this is kind of like the in process part of the sign, which is cool. I like it. Tilt-a-whirl buckets, just kind of hanging out here. You want to get in and go for a spin?
I do.
I don't think you can.
I don't think you're allowed.
We definitely need to make our way back up front soon, though, because we're going to have a presentation super quick. Here. More rides without cars and seats, and they literally tear everything apart. And then
Or shrink wrap it.
or shrink wrap it. And then they, you know, grease it, all that maintenance-y type stuff. Paint it, fix it up. Yeah, all kind of stuff. Snake River Expedition. Oh, this is the new ride, the new thing they're doing.
And
The
they're
new-
giving you a
Right. Oh, I can tell they're building a little building back there.
Someone could spend for the spend bonus.
Cool.
Nice.
So that is where you're going to load. This bridge is gone. I'm just going to go this way on a river expedition, which is cool.
They're gonna make the ADA go up and over.
Dragster cars?
I'm gonna walk to his.
The only roller coaster I haven't been on yet.
Yeah, me neither.
Maybe we'll have to check it off the list this year. Top Thrill Dragster. It would be fun. Like when you actually get to stop and look at them, they're super cool. Like the technology and the design and everything. That's cool. Wow, it is bright out. We are now headed over to Hotel Breakers to do the presentation. I know we can't record a presentation, nor can we like disclose anything from the presentation, I think, until tomorrow maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Which by the time you see this will probably be like next week sometime, so
It
you'll
won't really matter.
won't matter. So I'm just talking away now. Yeah, this has been so fun. I'm enjoying myself.
I am too.
Plus, it's for like a great cause. Makes it even better. So yeah. Okay, this just in. I was wrong. Shocker, we're not going to the hotel yet. We're going to the convention center, Lakeside Convention Center,
Oh yeah, that's where I thought we were going.
for the presentation and lunch. And then go over to the hotel to see if they have any souvenirs and stuff to buy. Sorry, I'm like
Sorry.
doing 6 things at once. So yeah, that's the plan. And then afterwards, there's more to see. So we're right across from the convention center at the pavilions for the lunches and stuff. All kind of roller coaster cars in here. They keep everything in here, just out of the weather. More stuff. All lined up. This is stuff they're not refurbishing this year. That's cool though, how they just like jam it all in here in a nice organized fashion. Huh. So we made it upstairs to the conference room to watch the presentation. It starts here in about 20 minutes or 10 minutes, I'm not sure when. So yeah, I'm 99.9% sure we cannot record this.
Yeah.
But we'll, you know, tell you how we liked it afterwards. So we are done with the presentation. It was a great presentation, and what I'll do is probably talk about it in another video. A lot of stuff we already knew. There was some concept art and stuff we've seen that we didn't see. We're in the dining room now, and what this is all the food at the 3 new restaurants. So French Quarter, confection, dessert thing, I don't know the name of it, and the mac and cheese line's way up there. It's the biggest line. So we're just going to grab food and show you on our plates. Doesn't that look good? This is from French Quarter Confections, which was pretty much a like bar, like a funnel cake bar. Yeah, put your toppings. They had sugary stuff, s'mores type things, fruit type stuff,
Sprinkles.
yeah, all kind of stuff. Yeah, we started with dessert first, but that's okay. That's allowed. That is pasta. They're putting in a big block of cheese.
That is amazing.
That is amazing. Oh my gosh, this is going to be great. I cannot wait for the food this year. We are definitely getting the food plan so we can buy, or not buy, get all kind of food and try it this year. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that looks amazing. Somewhere underneath there is macaroni and cheese.
Right?
Beneath the bacon and the extra cheese and the pork and everything.
They have so many options.
I'm so looking forward to food this year. It's gonna be great.
We didn't go through that one.
Well, guys, the food
Oh,
was delicious.
my favorite was definitely
Every
the mac
single
and
thing we
cheese
had.
bar.
Although the funnel cake bar was really good too.
Oh yeah, it was.
Like I cannot wait to like enjoy those in the park.
Me neither.
We didn't show like the chicken strips. They were chicken strips. The salad was really good.
Yes.
Like all the stuff was really good. It just
Everything
wasn't
was.
worth showing. My gosh, the food is gonna be great this year.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I think we're going somewhere. Where are we going?
Hotel Breakers.
Hotel Breakers. Now we're going to Hotel Breakers to look at the swag.